What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to fix airplane mode not working on Monopoly Go. While playing the game on the airplane mode, you may find out that the game is not working. And to fix this issue, you have to follow these steps. First thing you should do is to connect to your Wi-Fi. Then what you're gonna do right now is to simply get out of the game, then go to your App Store or Play Store and search if you have any update to the game. So I'm gonna search for Monopoly Go, select the game in order to see it from the inside and see if I have any update or not. Now here as you can see, I have no updates, but if you have an update, just update it and the issue will be fixed. Now if you still have the problem, you can simply uninstall the game and reinstall it again. Or if you are having an Android phone, you can simply go to the settings, then search for apps, manage apps, then search for Monopoly Go. Click on Monopoly Go, then click on storage, and you can try first to clear the cache. Then after clearing the cache, try to open the game and see if it's working or not. If it's still not working, you can simply delete all the data or delete the game completely, then reinstall it again and see if the issue is fixed or not. But if you still have the problem, this means that the company has updated and fixed this issue and you can no longer play the game on the airplane mode because it needs the internet connection. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.